So students are going to want to use the protractor that they had sent home with them tonight. It's a full circle protractor. So one of the keys that they're going to have to remember when using the full circle protractor is they need to place the center dot on the vertex. That's the point where the two lines meet. They're then going to want to extend the two lines of the angle so they can read them. So they're going to want to maybe use a straight edge and extend that. Use a straight edge to extend this. Obviously, I'm just using my finger without a straight edge, so they're not super straight. They're going to put the center part of the angle here, of the protractor, and then this should be the baseline. The baseline is what we want to have meet with the 0 degrees. What they're measuring then is the opening. So as they measure, the number should increase. They should see 10 degrees, 20 degrees. The number should be increasing from 0. If they're going to 350, they're looking the wrong way. They can also, if this doesn't work to make this the baseline, they can make this the baseline. It doesn't matter. They just need to measure how wide this angle opens. So to do that, the first thing that they should do is to help them estimate is determine if it's acute, obtuse, or a right angle, and that will help them know what their measurement should look like. So for instance, if we looked at A, I can see this opens and it's an acute angle. I know acute angles are less than 90, so that means that my angle measure should be less than 90 degrees. If I get a number larger than 90, I should remeasure. So students are going to do that throughout the page. What I would suggest that they do for each angle is first determine, is it acute? That's between 0 and 90 degrees. Is it a right angle? Does it look like it's almost exactly 90 degrees? Or is it obtuse? An obtuse angles open larger than a right angle, larger than 90, but less than a straight line. So students should do that first and then use those tips that I gave about matching the vertex on the vertex of the angle, extending the lines of the angle, and then making the baseline 0 on one of the two and measuring the open. On the back, students would do the same thing. Determine first acute or obtuse or right, and then use the tool for measurement.